electric generator. So this is the block diagram of electric generator. In last period we have seen electric motor. So now electric generator. So electric generator is a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. I am again repeating, electric generator is a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. And this electric generator, it is of two types. First one is AC generator and second is DC generator. So the generator which converts mechanical energy into electric energy in the form of alternating current is known as AC generator. Means generator which is producing the alternating current or AC from mechanical energy. And the generator which produces direct current means generator which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy in the form of direct current is known as DC generator. So now this is the information about electric generator. What is this device and what are the types of this generator? Then I have told you that any device or instrument, it works or it runs on fixed one principle. So what is the principle on which this electric generator works? The electric generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. We have already discussed that electromagnetic induction, that one experimental setup in your book, that one magnet is kept and on two supports one conducting wire is there, and if we move the conducting wire up and down in the magnetic field, then current is produced in that conducting coil or conductor, you can say. When a conductor is kept moving in a magnetic field, the magnetic field will induces or produces the electric current. This is the process of induction, and that's why that current which is induced by magnetic field in a conductor, we called it as induced current. So this electric generator, it works on the principle of electromagnetic induction, that when a conducting coil or conductor is kept moving in a stationary magnetic field, the current is induced in that conductor or current is produced in that conductor, and that current is produced in that conductor by induction process, and that's why that current we call it induced current. And the word electromagnetic induction means electricity is produced due to magnetic field, and that's why that we call it as electromagnetic induction, that process. So this is the principle on which electric generator works. Now I have told you this is the block diagram of electric generator, means the parts, they are indicated by blocks. So here the third subtopic in electric generator, first is what is that device, second is on which principle it works, and third is construction, and fourth will be working of electric generator. So third portion of this topic, that is construction. So in construction we have to describe which are the parts that are building the electric generator. So here the armature coil is there. See here armature coil A, B, C, D. Then this is iron core. Then these are the north and south pole of strong magnet, which will provide magnetic field. So armature coil, it is nothing but the large number of turns of insulated copper wire. They are wound on this rectangular shape iron core. And here now the armature coil is produced. Means armature coil, it is made up of large number of turns of insulated copper wire. They are wound on rectangular shape iron core, and that armature coil is formed. Then magnetic field. This armature coil is kept in a strong magnetic field, north pole and south pole of magnet. One strong magnetic field is provided to this armature coil. Then the carbon brushes B1 and B2, then slip ring commutator or split ring commutators R1 and R2. But here the one ring R1 is here and ring R2 is here. Split ring commutator is nothing but the two halves are fixed on the axle of this electric generator, and the over that slip rings carbon brushes B1 and B2 are fixed, which will press the commutator rings. Then in electric generator we are giving input is electric current, so we have used battery, but here we have to produce the electric current by the mechanical energy. Here the axle will rotate, externally the axle will rotate, and that we will see in the working of electric generator. So here carbon brushes B1 and B2 are there to press the commutator ring. Then commutator rings R1 is here, R2 is here. Then these two ends of armature coil, they are connected to the galvanometer. Galvanometer is used here to sense whether the current is induced by this process or not. Otherwise you can use here bulb also. Hence simply we have to test whether the electric current is produced in this electric generator or no. For that purpose galvanometer is used. So this is all about the construction of electric generator. Means what are the parts, how they are prepared, how they are fixed, how they are arranged in that electric generator. So that part comes under the heading construction. First is device, second is principle, and third is construction, and fourth is the working of electric generator. So now we will see how this electric generator works in the next period.